This is not going to be difficult for you. How do you pronounce this word? It's weird? No. I have been mispronouncing this word for years. But how do you pronounce this word? Esprit? Esprit? No. Hello and welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is English with Gazish once again. So without further ado, let's dive in. How do you pronounce this word? Swear? No. Perfect. Swear. 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 ለምሳሌ እምላለሁ እሱ ብሩን አልወሰደም በሉኝ እስቲ ብትባሉ I swear to God he didn't take the money. I swear to God he didn't take the money.
Because I've seen it happen. Swear to God. I've seen my students in my community. Swear to God. Swear to God. Swear to God. I've seen my students in my community.
Come on, if you're born again Christian watching me right here, you're not recommended to swear at any situation. If something is true, you gotta say yes. If something is false, you gotta say no. Okay, apart from this is from the evil. You gotta hear the word of the Lord. Of course. አንተ ውጪ በጣም ይበርዳል እስቲ ሹራብህን ልበስ በሉኝ እስቲ Come on, it's cold outside. Wear your sweater? No. Wear your sweater. Sweater. Wear your sweater. Okay. ዛጋ አሁንም ድህ ድምጽ አለ ገብቷችኋል ኮንሶናንት በሁለት ቫወል መካከል ሲመጣ በኤ እና በኢ መካከል ሲመጣ ስዌተር እንላለን ሹራብ የሚለው ስዊተር ሳይሆን ስዌተር ስዌተር ለዚህ ፍልስፍና ውስጥ ከመገባ ሚሉኝን ቀጥታ ቦስ ተጠቀማለሁ ያችሁ ኔ ኩረጃ እንደሚሰራ ያወቅኩት ቋንቋ ላይ ነው ቋንቋ ስለምድ ኩረጃ ግዴታ ምንም ኃጢአት የሌለበት okay there is no sin there is no shame on that you gotta copy and imitate ኩረጃ የሚባለውን ኮንሴፕት እዚህ ጋር አምጡት ኤግዛም ላይ ካካ ነው no ነውር ነው no ነውር ነው the more flexible we are the easier it gets for us to learn pronunciation intonation and even rhythms of English language. Number 18 this word this word ለብዙ ጊዜ ስሳሳተው የኖርኩት ወርድ ነው I have been mispronouncing this word for years but how do you pronounce this word Esprit Esprit no spread 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 የሆነ ነገር ሲስፋፋ እንደዛ እንደማለት ማስፋፋት for example born again Christians are called to spread the gospel of Christ to the entire world ማለት ይችላልላችሁ ከዳግም የተወለዱ ክርስቲያኖች የክርስቶስን ወንጌል በዓለም ሁሉ እንዲያስፋፉ ተጠርተዋል ማለት ስትፈልጉ born again Christians are called to spread አይደለም spread the gospel of Christ to the entire world ማለት ይችላልላችሁ ማለት ነው
okay Dr. King who used his spellbinding sermons to spread the gospel and open people's hearts to spread the gospel and open people's hearts to spread the gospel and open people's hearts.
It helps to spread the information, spread the knowledge.
It is also helping teachers spread the information broadly.
God commanded to go into the whole world and spread the gospel. Matthew 28 verse 19 and 20, spread the gospel, spread the gospel. God commanded to go into the whole world and spread the gospel. Matthew 28 verse 19 and 20.
Okay, so you're not going to pronounce it as spread, but you should pronounce it as what? Spread. Spread. Excellent. And one more tip here. All its verb forms are identical in pronunciation. V1 form spread, V2 form spread, V3 form spread. She usually spreads false information. Last year she spread false information. The incumbent government has spread beautiful information regarding the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam ማለት እንችላለን እዚህ በሶስቱም ቴንስ ለማሳየት ሞከርኩ okay V1 V2 V3 form so ሶስቱም የቨርብ ፎርሙላ የሚነበበው spread ተብሎ ነው got it beautiful let's proceed now number 19 this word how do you pronounce this word buffet buffet No, it actually has two types of pronunciations. the American pronunciation and the British pronunciation. It's one of the furnitures on the one hand and also a large meal on the other hand. Let's begin from the American pronunciation. They say it as what? Buffet ሳይሆን የሚሉት አሜሪካኖቹ buffet, buffet. እቺ የመጀመሪያዋ በግዕዟ buffet, buffet.
On your dish. To keep black flies away from the buffet table, try adding some lemons. Buffet table, buffet table, buffet table.
These morsels are best served hot and fresh, not sitting on a buffet table. They get less appetizing as they cool. Buffet table, buffet table, buffet table.
The second pronunciation, the British pronunciation. እቺ በያልናትን በአማርኛችን በቡ ምንላት buffet. Excellent. British pronunciation, it's called buffet, buffet, buffet.
Fresh orange with ice delivered to their table rather than having to go up to the buffet. And we just really thought buffet.
Take him to a buffet, he's gonna eat the table. Buffet. Take him to a buffet, he's gonna eat the table.
Pika.
ትንሽዬ ዲፍረንስ ነች። buffet American pronunciation, buffet British pronunciation. Clear? Excellent. The last one, this word. How do you pronounce this word? እስቲ በኋላ ደውልልሃለሁ በሉኝ እስቲ። I'll call you later. Later? No. I'll call you later. You should pronounce it as later. Later.
Thanks for watching. See you later. See you later. See you later.
So don't go there. See you later. Bye for now.
At least later. ይሄ ድምጽ የሚለው ድምጽ ጅምር ላይ ከከበዳችሁ at least later በሉ። see you later በሉ። at least ይሻላል። see you later ልክ አይደለም። Learning a language is a continuous process. You're not going to master a given language overnight. I myself am learning on the go. You're not going to pronounce it as later, but you should pronounce it as later. በኋላ እንገናኝ. See you later.
And Jack said, "Thanks, Mom. See you later. See you later. See you later." And I said, wait.
በኋላ ደውልልኝ. Call me later. በኋላ ደውልልሃለሁ. Call you later.
Hey, I'm gonna call you later. Can I have your number? Call you later. Call you later. Call you later. Can I have your number?
Bonus word, this one. How do you pronounce this word? So you gotta pronounce it as ladder. Ladder. መሰላል ከሚለው ጋር አይገናኝብንም. Of course በደንብ ይቀራረባል ከሱ ጋር ችግር የለው። ማይንድ አያረግ ኮንቴክስቱ ነው የሚወስነው እዚህ ጋር። ምሳሌ the former case, the latter case. የመጀመሪያው ጉዳይ የኋለኛው ጉዳይ እንደማለት። I disagree with the former case, but I agree with the latter case.
In the former case, watch out, mainstream stocks and bonds are in trouble. In the latter case, የኋለኛው ክብር ከቀደመው ክብር ይበልጣል ማለት ስትፈልጉ the glory of the latter is greater than the former.
The latter glory of this house shall be greater than the former, says the Lord of hosts. The latter glory of this house shall be greater than the former, says the Lord of hosts.
Then, come on. So I hope you just learned something new today, didn't you? If you did, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Abbaratatu. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.